The very first treatment modality that could be offered to some couples at least is planned coitus with monitoring. See, how do you get pregnant? You get pregnant when sex happens at the right time. And what's the right time? The woman grows her egg every cycle in either of her ovaries, and that egg pops out of the ovary when the egg is mature, usually on the 13th, sometimes on the 14th, maybe even on the 15th day of the cycle. And that's when the egg is picked up by the fallopian tube. This is the right time for sex to happen. How do you know from outside? Nobody in the world has any clue as to when the ovulation is actually going to happen. So, we can come in and help some couples. Couples who have been married recently, have been trying for a pregnancy but almost a year or so, all your reports have been fine. We can actually help you get started on the fertility treatment journey by putting you on what is known as planned coitus with monitoring. What we do is very simple. Medications may or may not be prescribed. The idea is to help you grow at least one follicle for sure every month. Monitor the growth of the follicle with the help of an ultrasound, and once we think that the follicle is ready, that's usually a size of, let's say, 20 millimeters, that's when we assume that the follicle will ovulate. We then tell you to be together with your partner during those 2 or 3 days, and then follow it up with another ultrasound to check whether the ovulation had actually happened. While as treatments go, this is not a very high funda treatment. It does actually help you to plan your cycles better, and there are certain couples who do end up getting pregnant. This is not a treatment for a couple who has been married for a long time or who have definite reasons for infertility. This is only as an option for some couples who have just started trying, have tried for a year or so, and who do not have any reports which suggest that they suffer from infertility as such. So it is a starting block of treatment, and it should be used just as that only.